pull that. I love that you put your eyes close together and your mouth is at the bottom of your face.
Okay, friends. Can everybody look up at the smart board again?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do some silly stuff with our faces, but you can watch mine or you can do it on yours. What happens when we squish all of the face features together? Squish everything together in the middle. Looks different, right? Or maybe if I squish it this way. And now, can you spread them all out?
Yeah.
Ooh. It looks different, right? Yeah. Could you maybe pick up your nose shape? Does everybody have a nose?
Yes.
And can you switch the nose shape with the eye shape?
Switch your eye and your nose. See what happens.
What happens when you switch those around?
It looks silly.
Maybe it looks silly now.
Did you switch your eye and your nose?
What happens if you pick a different shape for your mouth? Like I have a circle, but instead I would like to try using, ooh, I want to try using the teardrop shape for my mouth.
Doesn't matter. It's fine.
And maybe right now my teardrop shape is going just side to side horizontal, but can I tilt it? What happens when I tilt it? It's kind of different.
Okay, I'd rather not be on.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe I could make one eyebrow be up high and one eyebrow be more down low. What happens if you change the direction of your eyebrows entirely? So instead of your eyebrows just going up and down, maybe they tilt. Can you tilt your eyebrows together? How does your face change when you do that? What if you put your eyebrows on the other diagonal so they tilt the other way? What if you just squish your eyes and your nose together, but your eyebrows and your mouth are very far apart? Wow, that's a totally different face. All right. There's lots of different ways that we can do this. Today we want to try and make as many faces as we can just to see. So one way that you can have a fresh start is by picking up your face and going 1, 2, 3, jump. And then you can just start over and make a new one. You can use as many shapes as you like.